This is a 1998 Yamaha Grizzly 600, and it's got fuel. Cranks over okay. I did a compression test. Even with the automatic decompression, it was at 93 pounds, so the compression should be good. Check the spark. It's got spark, but it's not starting. So essentially, what I think it is I think maybe the woodruff key on the flywheel has been stripped, and the flywheel is not in position. So I'm gonna open it up and have a look. So to get at that woodruff key, I'm gonna have to take the bottom of this fender off so I can pull this case out. So I'm gonna have to take the pull start recoil off, and I'm gonna have to take the shifter off in these 3 bolts. So I'm gonna start there. So a 17 holds this on. I used an impact and they come off really easy, and you just wiggle it out. 3 bolts. Now your shifter's loose, you can move it out of the way. I don't think you need to take this off. In fact, I think that might be handy as a handhold when I take out the last bolts holding this case on. And I might be able to just use that to break it free and lift it out. So there's a tab over here that you can pry up on, and then I just wiggled it and the whole case came off. So there's your stator. So now if you were going to change your stator, you would take these out, and your pulse coil is right here. So you'd be able to just take those out, run the wires through, and there's a guard that holds the wires down and out of the way. All right, I got my 3 bolts into the flywheel. Now all I have to do is put an impact on this, and you got to be careful. The end can mushroom, the end of the shaft, so you don't want to get too crazy. You might also, if you had a bolt that fit inside that you could maybe push on with this, that would be better. But I don't think this is going to be hard because it's been spinning, so should come off easy. Well, this came off with the pulley puller pretty easy. But if you look, you can see what's left of that woodruff key. It got sheared off, half of it's here, and the other half is there. So I'm gonna go pull one out of another machine because I don't have one handy, and then I'll get this back together and it should run. It should be done in an hour. Well, woodruff key's in place. I haven't put the air box in, but should be able to start it now, so. There we go. That's a good sign.